guys, as you can see, it has been raining, but still this week updates is a little bit different because it has been raining for like 2 days now. I was unable to do some stuff, so these are the things we did last week. So the specification are there. This particular one I'm making right now, the specification is down here with this one here and some of it, but I might, okay, it's not might, I will definitely talk about it later on if I have the time, or when the shop is silent, when it's no longer raining. Like, it's still raining now, as you can see. It's still raining and the rain is very heavy. So process of the work is going. Last week updates I did this, so this is still here. It has not gone to anywhere. This is the material I use, so stay tuned for the fabrics I'll be using for this, mix with the with the jeans material as well. So I hope you guys will love this particular video and watch to the end for better understanding and updates. I hope you guys are hearing me clearly, because I might not know as well, except I finish recording and play the video. That's when I will determine if you guys can hear me or not. So welcome back, guys. This is the kind of fabrics I'm using, the black side of it. So as you can see, I finished cutting all the pattern and the fabrics I'll be using. So this is the main front and back panel for the bag, and this is the side and the bottom. I have the handle here and some front design I will be using. So once I finally start applying the gum to it, before I assemble everything, I will show you the process. And I'm using this Vivlet material as the inside lining, so you guys should stay tuned to watch this. It's just a long process, but today it's raining. Actually, as I've said, it's still raining till now, so I just have to do what I have to do. As you can see, it's pouring. So the week will just continue that way. We do what we can do, and that's it. The measurement for this particular bag, the height here, I use 6.2. It's not 6.5, it's not up to half, so it's 6.2. If you check your ruler very well, and from here to here is 8. The height is 6.2. Why this particular place we are seeing from the right side bottom and to the left side as well is 19 and a half, so that's it. Then there's this front design I will be using. It doesn't have any particular measurement, but the wideness is 1 inch. So by how you want it to be, this is how I want it to be. I will be putting some eyelet on it. Then the handle as well, I just like decide how the handle will be. Let me put this and measure what the handle is showing. So the handle is showing 10 and a half, as you can see. It's showing 10 and a half. So by, let's see, by 2 centimeter, 10 and a half by 2 centimeters. So these days, the way I work now, I mix the imperial and metrics together to just get everything out, because sometimes inch will not give you what you really need, and if you depend on centimeter, it will not give you what you need as well. So you have to mix everything together. Stay tuned for the rest of it. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, welcome back. This is what I've done so far. So this is the side of the bag from the bottom to the other side. As you can see, I've attached the accessory to it. So this is the back panel. I've sewn a pocket to it. As you can see, this is a pocket. Then this is the front. This is the design I was talking about. I've made it. Then this is the handle, and this is the zip head I'll be using. So the next thing for me now is for me to put the lining, which is the Vivlet, put the lining. So I will be showing you how I put the lining now before we'll be putting the zip, inserting the zip, then assembling the rest of the bag. I hope you guys will stay tuned to watch this to the end of the video. Actually, this is part of the weekly updates, so it's nothing hard. So you see the way I've been working. Actually, I've been working since morning on this. I say it was raining, but now it has stopped raining and it's already late. Now this is almost to 5. So I need to finish this, get this done now. So that's it. So this is what I've done now. I just finished inserting the zip. So So how beautiful the bag is. Then this is the side. It's just left for me now to fix the side and fix the hand. You see the way I fixed the zip, right? You won't sew it to the end. You stop somewhere here, and here you have to bend it. You start here. I'm showing you this so that I think people will not come back to start asking questions. How do you fix the zip? How do you do this? How do you do that? So as you can see, you see the lining. The lining is being glued down. So after I fix the side, all this will be covered, but it's covered to the side and the top. So you see the way you have to bend your zip so that it won't pull out. You bend it this way and stitch it down. When you stitch it down, your zip will never pull out. So, and this one you won't sew it to the end, because where you want to sew this one to, you don't want to sew it down with the zip yet, and you have to extend your zip longer enough for you to put the zip stopper. And if it's too long, after you finish your project, you can reduce it. But if you cut your zip too small, this is very dangerous and it can ruin your project. So that is it. Let me proceed now and finish it up, and we shall talk after it. Here is it, guys. So I just finished inserting the zip. It's left for me now to put the zip stopper and the handle. So let's go do that right away. So probably even if I didn't do it right now, I will, since this is a weekly update, I will include this so that you can see how beautiful the bag is. So this is the front of the bag, as you can see, and this is the handle. The handle will be attached to the other D-ring like this with a chain a little bit. So this is it. Hope you guys love it, and hope you guys can do the same thing as well. So here is it, guys. I just finished inserting the zip stopper, as you can see. I didn't get to put the one with screw, but this will also do as well. So how you see the bag. So it's time for me to package most of this thing back. So let me put in the front of the rest and let's see how it goes. So if you look at the chain, see the way I do the chain. I use 2 D-ring, then use a chain to hold it down. Another 2 D-ring, then use a chain to hold it down. It has a back pocket here, and inside as well it also has another pocket. So this is it. How do you guys like it? This one and the one we did in the last week update. I hope you guys will enjoy it. So there are still some of stuff I'll be doing this week, like this. This has been here since last week. It's from a vendor we used to give our product, so it's just one of the products we give them a month ago. So I don't know how the place is. It's just a little bit dusty, so I asked them to return it back so that we can clean it up and send it back to them. So we'll be sending it to them. And this, by the way, this is one of the bags we make last week. It's still here, so I will look for a way to send that to the owner as well. So I'll be packaging those bag because I need to send it out to people that owns it. Those diaper bag, nursing bag as well, 2 of them I'll be packaging it. So I don't know if I will be packaging it in this video, but if I can, I'll look for time to do that, maybe in next week or within this week. So that is by the way. I will be doing that. Probably will be doing that. There's still a project I need to do, so probably I will try as much as possible to finish that product and the project and finish it, include it in this week update. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new in this place, please give this video a giant thumbs up. By the way, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and leave the post notification bell on so that you get notified when we upload a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed this particular bag we make in this week update. If you do, please let me know in the comment section below how we can improve the content on this channel. And that is it for now. We'll see you at the other side when we continue with the weekly updates. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, welcome to another day in the making of the video. So we continue with the project. Last time I vlogged, I was saying there are a lot of projects to be done that will be included in the weekly update. So this is what we've done so far for today. The board is still the way it used to be. So by the way, we make a purse. My apprentice, they tried 2 zip, 3 pockets, 1, 2. There's another smaller pocket inside again, so it's looking nice, you know, just like the remaining material we have. That's what they use in making it. So these are the bags. The one I make yesterday is inside this dust bag. As you can see, this is the use of the dust bag. You can put your bag inside and lock the mouth. Then the second one is here as well. So that's the process. Today is already late. This is 6. I think we'll not be doing anything today again, but those spots I was talking about yesterday, we'll later finish it today. Here are they, and they are looking nice. Here are they with the handles, key purse, or I will say keychain purse. So by the way, this is where I will be ending the video for today. So we'll proceed tomorrow and I will show you the rest of the activities we need to do in the shop. So by the way, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So welcome to the continuation of the vlog. Actually, so I didn't get to vlog when I started, but this morning I've started working, and this is where the vlog went. Actually, we worked yesterday, but I didn't get to vlog. We did some stuff yesterday, finish up some course, did some new thing, but I didn't get to vlog it. So but by the way, the last project I will be doing is on the machine right now. This black Louis Vuitton material, as you can see, this black Louis Vuitton material is what I'm working on right now. I'm working on a travel backpack. So if I finish that, I will let you guys see it. And by the way, I think after this week I'll be doing more of this bag, so you guys should be expecting more of it. So I'll be doing more of it, like the tutorial to show you different pattern you can use, different measurements, different style for you guys to like do, because most of the people that make this don't show it online. But what's there not to show online? If you want to learn, you can still come for physical learning at the shop, but that will attract some payments. So this is part of the weekly update. So by the way, if I finish this one now, we'll talk more, then let you see everything, how everything is going. So by the way, those stuff on the chair are gone. I need to just package those ones. The ones I package, then I will be sending it to the owner. So other than that, that's just what I will be doing today. So that's it. If I finish, as I said, I will talk to you guys and let you guys know on the updates that is going. Thank you guys for watching as well. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Give this video a giant thumbs up if you enjoy, and you do not enjoy. No, I know you always enjoy. You learn something from every weekly update. If you watch closely, you must learn something, whether you like it or not. So leave in the comment section below what you think and what you learn in this weekly updates of this week. Share this with people you know it will be of help to them, and I talk to you that there are lots of interesting video and tutorial that will be coming. So guys, please always watch and always be here for you. I will see you later. Come back, guys. As I said, I've packaged the 2 nursing bag. Will be sent to the owner. I still like to show you this guy, these bags. So by the way, I know by now this video is already out, the video of dust bag for our bag. So if you want to make something like this, you can contact us as well, or if you watch the video, I show how to do it and most of the measurements, so you can do that for yourself. So this is the bag. I'm done with it already, so I didn't put anything inside. That's why you see it's losing shape like this, but I might, okay, no, when you see the picture, actually I will post the picture when it's filled up and you see the normal shape how it be. So it's those one I make in the last video, those traveling bag, the new design. So that is just new design I just create. I did not copy, I just sat down. A client talked to me that they want something like this, so after I finished making it for them, I like the design, so and people are requesting for it. But by the way, this particular one you are seeing, I think I will be the one that will be using this one. But you know, I can't use bag for myself. If people see it with me, they will say they want it, because they say my own bag are always special, but they are still the same thing. So that's by the way. And is there anything we need to talk about again this week updates? I don't think so. See you. This is where the video will be end. By the way, I hope you guys love this week update and enjoying every aspect. If you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And those of you that are new to here, please consider subscribing, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. And YouTube is letting me to know that close to 70 something percent of people that watch this video are not subscribed. Please, I'm using this time to appeal to you to subscribe. Just 20 something percent are the one that are subscribed to the channel. A lot of you are watching without subscribing, and you keep coming back. By the way, it means you have something interesting you are getting from this channel. So please, I urge you to subscribe to the channel. So, and by the way, we shall be expecting new and interesting video next week. Stay tuned for that. Bye for now.